Welcome to nurtravelstudio. Today, we will travel one of the most beautiful country, Argentina. Argentina, officially the Argentine Republic, is a country in the southern half of South America. Argentina covers an area of 2,780,400 square kilometers, making it the second largest country in South America after Brazil, the fourth largest country in the Americas, and the eighth largest country in the world. It shares the bulk of the southern cone with Chile to the west, and is also bordered by Bolivia and Paraguay to the north, Brazil to the northeast, Uruguay and the South Atlantic Ocean to the east, and the Drake Passage to the south. Argentina is a federal state subdivided into 23 provinces, and one autonomous city, which is the federal capital and largest city of the nation, Buenos Aires. The almost unparalleled increase in prosperity led to Argentina becoming the seventh wealthiest nation in the world by the early 20th century. In 1896, Argentina's GDP per capita surpassed that of the United States and was consistently in the top 10 before at least 1920. Currently, it is ranked 62nd in the world. Argentina is a regional power and retains its historic status as a middle power in international affairs. A major non-NATO ally of the United States, Argentina is a developing country that ranks 46th in the Human Development Index, the second highest in Latin America after Chile. It maintains the second largest economy in South America and is a member of G15 and G20. Argentina is also a founding member of the United Nations, World Bank, World Trade Organization, Mercosur, Community of Latin American and Caribbean States, and the Organization of Ibero-American States. Argentina's highest point is Aconcagua, in the Mendoza province, 22,831 feet above sea level, also the highest point in the southern and western hemispheres. The lowest point is Laguna del Carbon in the San Julian Great Depression, Santa Cruz province, minus 344 feet below sea level, also the lowest point in the southern and western hemispheres, and the seventh lowest point on Earth. Argentina is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, hosting one of the greatest ecosystem varieties in the world, 15 continental zones, 2 marine zones, and the Antarctic region are all represented in its territory. In general, Argentina has 4 main climate types: warm, moderate, arid, and cold, all determined by the expanse across latitude, range in altitude, and relief features. Although the most populated areas are generally temperate, Argentina has an exceptional amount of climate diversity, ranging from subtropical in the north to polar in the far south. The metallic mineral production of Argentina is not as relevant as that of other countries. It stands out for being the fourth largest producer of lithium, 9th of silver, and 17th of gold worldwide, 2019 data. The country stands out in the production of natural gas, being the largest producer in South America and the 18th largest in the world, and has an average annual production close to 500,000 barrels a day of petroleum, even with the underutilization of the Vaca Muerta field, due to the country's technical and financial inability to extract these resources. The country had 5.57 million visitors in 2013, ranking in terms of the international tourist arrivals as the top destination in South America, and second in Latin America after Mexico. Revenues from international tourists reached $4.41 billion in 2013, down from $4.89 billion in 2012. The country's capital city, Buenos Aires, is the most visited city in South America. There are 30 national parks of Argentina, including many World Heritage Sites. Top tourist spots in Argentina are Mar del Plata, Quebrada de Humahuaca, Ibera Wetlands, Córdoba, Puerto Madryn, Bariloche, Ushuaia, Mendoza, El Cholton, Los Glaciares, Buenos Aires, Iguazu Falls, and so on. Christianity is the largest religion in Argentina. The Constitution guarantees freedom of religion. Although it enforces neither an official nor a state faith, it gives Roman Catholicism a preferential status. According to a 2008 Conicet poll, Argentines were 76.5% Catholic, 11.3% agnostics and atheists, 9% evangelical Protestants, 1.2% Jehovah's Witnesses, and 0.9% Mormons, while 1.2% followed other religions, including Islam, Judaism and Buddhism. These figures appear to have changed quite significantly in recent years. Data recorded in 2017 indicated that Catholics made up 66% of the population, indicating a drop of 10.5% in 9 years, and the non-religious in the country standing at 21% of the population, indicating an almost doubling over the same period. Argentina is highly urbanized, with 92% of its population living in cities. The 10 largest metropolitan areas account for half of the population. About 3 million people live in the city of Buenos Aires, and including the Greater Buenos Aires metropolitan area, it totals around 13 million, making it one of the largest urban areas in the world. Argentina is a multicultural country with significant European influences. Modern Argentine culture has been largely influenced by Italian, Spanish and other European immigration from France, Russia, United Kingdom, among others. Its cities are largely characterized by both the prevalence of people of European descent and of conscious imitation of American and European styles in fashion, architecture and design. Pato is the national sport, an ancient horseback game locally originated in the early 1600s and predecessor of horseball. The most popular sport is football. Along with Brazil and France, the men's national team is the only one to have won the most important international triplet, World Cup, Confederations Cup, and the Olympic gold medal. It has also won 15 Copas America, 7 Pan American gold medals, and many other trophies. Alfredo Di Stefano, Diego Maradona, and Lionel Messi are among the best players in the game's history. Basketball is a very popular sport. The men's national team is the only one in the FIBA Americas zone that has won the quintuplet crown, World Championship, Olympic gold medal, Diamond Ball, America's Championship, and Pan American gold medal. Rugby is another popular sport in Argentina. As of 2017, the men's national team, known as Los Pumas, has competed at the Rugby World Cup each time it has been held, achieving their highest ever result in 2007 when they came third. Since 2012, the Los Pumas have competed against Australia, New Zealand and South Africa in the Rugby Championship, the premier international rugby competition in the Southern Hemisphere. Since 2009, the secondary men's national team known as the Jaguars has competed against the US, Canada, and Uruguay first teams in the Americas Rugby Championship, which Los Jaguars have won 6 out of 8 times it has taken place. Thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe No Travel Studio. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Bye.